Good afternoon, everyone. This is the market overview for the week of May 10th, and we're going to start over here at gold. You can see that gold is at an area that may support price to go up. Now, right now, it could also come back to 1184.3, test that area. If we see diverging volume, then it could go up. This line here is a single line, so it may come down to here, okay? But I do think we're going to see between 1190 to 1192 on gold. On crude, I do think crude's going to come back to 59.73. You can see that we've got an ATR in two areas of resistance above crude. If it's unable to break that area, then I expect it to come back down and test these areas around 58.50. Over on the Dow, I am expecting some downward movement. We could even see this come down to about 18,000. If it does come there, we need to stop, read the volume, and then if we have diverging volume, we would know that it would go up. If it flips the ATR, expect a retest of the red ATR before it comes down. The same thing pretty much on the ES. You see that it's coming back to the ATR right now. I do think we have a potential for this to come back to 2100. And when it gets to 2100, again, we would want to read the volume to see whether it's going to go up or not. Over on the Nasdaq, we have a lot of support right around this area here. And that is 44.34, 44.31, 44.29, 44.23. So there is about a 10-point range there. It has a lot of support for price. What we want to see is no selling coming in so that we would know the Nasdaq would go up. Otherwise, we would expect some downward movement. Over on the Swiss franc future contract, you can see we have come back to a triple zone area. I would expect it at least to come back and test the ATR. Over on the British pound, I would expect it to come back to 53.64 or 5400 before it goes into an upward movement. Again, we would have to read the volume here to determine whether it's going to continue down. I do anticipate getting to 5,300 this week on the British pound just because there is a gap here from the elections last week, and normally price does close the gaps. Then on the euro, you can see all of the support that we have down here that would support an upward move on the euro. Now, if we're able to clear the 1281, 1300 area, then we have a sweet spot up to 1380. So that's the market review for May 10th. I hope you join me in the live trading room this week on Thursday at 8:30 a.m. New York time. Have a wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing you in the trading room.